This is what happened, guys. Look at sobrang daming crow bird. There's so many crow bird here. Looks like they're eating something. Oh, the crow bird is everywhere, guys. It's up in a tree. Even right over there. Oh, there's so many. They're in our tree everywhere, and my neighbor's tree also. Even right all the way over there. I don't know what's going on. Look at them. Sobrang daming birds. Bye bye birds. Marami pa doon, guys. Kuku. Nangaupo na ang mga kahoy. What are those?